In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your YouTube channel to your LinkedIn profile. This is a simple way to make your profile more complete and give people an easy path to view your content, especially if you use YouTube for personal branding, education, business, or showcasing your work. The good news is that LinkedIn lets you add this directly through your contact information section, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. First, go to your profile on LinkedIn. Make sure you're on your own profile page because that's where you'll be able to edit your information. If you're starting from the LinkedIn homepage, just click your profile picture or your name to open your profile. Once you're on your profile, look for the contact info section and click on it. This area contains the links and contact details connected to your profile, so it's the right place for adding a YouTube channel link. After the contact info window opens, click on Edit Contact Info. This will take you into the editable version of that section where you can make changes and add new links. If you already have other websites listed there, that's completely fine. You can still add your YouTube channel as another website entry. Next, click on Add Website. This creates a new field where you can paste the link you want people to visit. At this stage, go ahead and copy your YouTube channel URL, then paste it into the website field. Be careful to paste the full and correct channel link so visitors are taken to the right page. If you manage more than one channel, this is a good time to double check that you're using the one you actually want displayed on your LinkedIn profile. Once the YouTube channel URL is in place, click Save. That's it. Your LinkedIn profile will now include your YouTube channel in the contact information area, making it easier for recruiters, clients, collaborators, or followers to find your video content. As a quick tip, after saving, return to your profile and open the contact info section again to confirm that the link appears correctly and works as expected. It's always worth testing the link once, just to avoid sending people to the wrong place. And that's how to add your YouTube channel to your LinkedIn profile.